You sit down to study, you open your book, and within 2 minutes, your brain suddenly wants to check Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, literally anything except studying. Then comes the guilt. You call yourself lazy, but what if the real problem isn't laziness? What if your brain has been trained to avoid focus? Because right now, most students don't have a motivation problem. They have an attention problem. And in this video, I'll show you exactly why your brain can't focus anymore and how to fix it before it destroys your productivity. Your brain is addicted to stimulation. Think about it. Short videos, constant scrolling, notifications. Every few minutes, your brain keeps getting tiny dopamine hits all day long. Dopamine is the chemical linked to pleasure and reward. So, when you watch reels for hours, your brain gets used to fast entertainment. Then suddenly, you try to study. Now your brain compares studying to social media, and studying feels painfully boring. That's why you can binge videos for 3 hours, but struggle to focus for 20 minutes. Your attention span wasn't weak naturally. It got trained this way. And honestly, apps today are designed to keep your brain distracted, because most students think procrastination means laziness, but actually, procrastination is emotional. Your brain avoids tasks that feel stressful, confusing, or overwhelming. For example, you look at a huge chapter left to complete. Instantly, your brain feels pressure, and instead of starting, you suddenly want to clean your desk, check your phone, or watch just one quick video. Why? Because your brain is trying to escape discomfort. That's procrastination, not laziness. And the longer you delay, the more guilty you feel. Then guilt creates even more stress, and the cycle repeats. Stress, avoidance, guilt, more stress, again and again. So here's the trick. Stop focusing on finishing everything. Just focus on starting. Tell yourself, I'll study for only 10 minutes. That tiny start reduces resistance. And once your brain begins, another reason you can't focus? Mental fatigue. Your brain gets tired from constant decisions, overthinking, and information overload. What to study, what to watch, what to do first, whether to study now or later. Tiny decisions, but repeated all day long. And by the evening, your brain is already exhausted. Then you expect yourself to focus perfectly for hours. Impossible. This is why routines are powerful. Simple habits reduce mental pressure. Study at the same time daily. Keep the same study spot. Reduce unnecessary choices. And most importantly, sleep properly. Because lack of sleep destroys memory, concentration, motivation, and emotional control. Sometimes you don't need more discipline. You just need proper rest. So how do you actually rebuild focus? Here are 3 simple things that genuinely help. Number 1, keep your phone away. Not beside you, away. Because even seeing your phone reduces concentration. Number 2, use the 25-minute rule. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Short focus sessions feel safer for the brain. And number 3, train focus slowly. Don't expect instant concentration. Your brain needs practice. Start with 10 focused minutes, then slowly increase the time. Because focus is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. So remember this. Your brain is not broken. It's overstimulated, overloaded, and exhausted. But focus can be rebuilt, one habit at a time, one study session at a time, and one good day at a time. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who struggles to focus while studying. And comment below, what distracts you the most while studying? I'll see you in the next video.